Hello everyone. If you live in the United States and you are looking for good training, this is the website you are looking. After looking for so long for really good training with labs, like with something that allows you to train, finally I found this community college that is located in North Carolina, I believe. But the good part is that you can take continuous education and then you can take like real certifications. Like for example, if you go to IT Academy, you can see like the courses they have. And the part that really caught my attention is the price, because where I live, every single course of these, it's like a couple of thousands. But on this one, I found a really good price, and it's I don't know if it sounds so reasonable for you, but for example, um, Bingware, which is one of the trainings that I was trying to take for a while, like right here, Bingware Academy. They have two courses available, and it's $195 per course, which is kind of it shocked me because it's a really good price. And the good part is that you have access to real labs. Like they give you access to a lab where you can practice and do all the things that you normally would do in a production environment. Hopefully this video is going to be useful for you because this website is really good and this is what I'm using for training now. I'll see you in the next video.